Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of folding ramps, those versatile tools that make life so much easier. Whether you're looking to transport heavy equipment, help with mobility needs, or just need a reliable ramp for your vehicle, we've got you covered. We'll be reviewing the top folding ramps on the market for 2024. We'll break down their key features, benefits, and help you find the perfect one to suit your needs. So, stay tuned as we explore the best options out there. Don't miss out. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. All of the products we mention in this video have timestamps and links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Step Ramp Motorcycle Ramp. The Step Ramp Motorcycle Folding Ramp is a solid choice for motorcycle owners looking for a reliable ramp. It's easy to set up and fold away, which is a huge plus for saving space in my garage. The ramp's build quality is impressive, and it provides a secure, non-slip surface. However, I found it a bit heavy to carry around, which might be a consideration if you need to move it frequently. Despite this, it performs excellently in terms of functionality and safety. It has made loading my bike much more manageable and secure. Overall, a great product with just a minor drawback. The Step Ramp Motorcycle Ramp serves as an effective solution for loading dirt bikes and dual sport motorcycles, distinguished by its lightweight construction. It is meticulously designed to assist in the loading of motorcycles onto the back of a truck, featuring a variety of practical attributes. This model is particularly notable for its RV-integrated high-traction steps, which enable users to walk alongside their motorcycle during the loading procedure, thereby improving stability and control. With a weight capacity of 500 pounds, this ramp accommodates most lightweight and mid-range motorcycles. The steps are capable of supporting up to 350 pounds, which is adequate for the majority of users. In addition to the steps, the ramp is equipped with raised tire guide edges, which facilitate the loading process. Made from aluminum, it boasts heavy-duty hinges, handles, and a latch for enhanced durability. Weighing around 35 pounds, the ramp can be easily folded and stored when not in use. In conclusion, the Step Ramp Motorcycle Ramp is an outstanding choice for loading dirt bikes, dual sport motorcycles, and other light to mid-range bikes into a truck. Number 4. Titan 4-Beam Truck Loading Ramp. The Titan 4-Beam Truck Loading Folding Ramp does its job well, but it comes with a few trade-offs. On the positive side, the ramp is built like a tank. I've used it to load various items, from lawnmowers to ATVs, and it has held up perfectly. The extra width is a nice feature, providing plenty of space for wider loads, and the grip on the surface gives me confidence that my gear won't slip. However, the ramp is quite heavy, making it a bit cumbersome to move around, especially when you're working alone. The folding mechanism is practical, but it still takes some effort to set up and take down. If you need a heavy-duty ramp and don't mind the extra weight, this one will serve you well. Just be prepared for a bit of a workout when you're moving it. The Titan 4-Beam Truck Loading Ramp is highly regarded as the ideal solution for loading cruisers and heavier motorcycles. Its unique 4-beam design allows for the safe loading of large motorcycles while enabling riders to walk alongside the bike throughout the process. This ramp features an impressive loading capacity of 1,500 pounds, making it suitable for even the heaviest cruisers, as well as ATVs and a variety of other recreational vehicles. Regarding durability, the ramp is made from high-quality aluminum and includes serrated crossbars that improve traction and enhance safety during loading. Weighing around 52 pounds, the ramp is somewhat heavy, however, it conveniently folds for storage when not in use. This design makes it easy to transport in a truck, van, or to store in a garage until needed. The 4-beam structure further contributes to its durability, allowing users to walk alongside their motorcycle while loading. Number 3. CargoSmart LED Hybrid S-Curve Centerfold Loading Ramp. The CargoSmart LED Hybrid S-Curve Centerfold Loading Folding Ramp is a solid investment for anyone who regularly loads heavy equipment. The S-Curve design is well thought out, as it provides a gradual incline that makes loading and unloading much smoother. The LED lights are a fantastic addition, illuminating the ramp effectively and making nighttime operations much safer. However, I found the ramp to be a bit tricky to unfold initially. It took me a couple of tries to get the hang of it, but once I did, it worked like a charm. The folding mechanism is great for saving space, and the hybrid construction strikes a good balance between weight and strength. Despite the slight learning curve, this ramp is a reliable tool that I would recommend to others. The CargoSmart hybrid ramp is engineered with a robust tread design that promotes durability and ensures excellent traction for motorcycles and tires throughout the loading and unloading process. It features adjustable and secure straps to protect the equipment effectively. Equipped with integrated LED lights, the ramp enhances visibility, making operations easier during nighttime or early morning hours. Its S-curve dual-arch design further improves traction, while the construction utilizes a blend of composite materials and high-density aluminum, contributing to its strength and longevity. With dimensions of 90 inches in length and 12 inches in width, this loading ramp is capable of supporting a distributed load of up to 750 pounds, rendering it suitable for ATVs, all-terrain vehicles, and various heavy machinery or appliances. Number 2. Black Widow AFL 9012 Single Runner Motorcycle Ramp. The C Black Widow AFL 9012 Single Runner Folding Ramp does what it's supposed to do, and it does it well. The ramp is robust, providing a secure path for loading my motorcycle into the truck. The folding mechanism is smooth and makes storage convenient. However, I found it to be a bit on the pricier side compared to other ramps I've used in the past. While the quality justifies the price to some extent, it might be a consideration for those on a budget. Nevertheless, if you're looking for a reliable ramp that won't let you down, this is a great option. This folding single runway ramp is engineered with serrated rungs that improve tire traction while offering robust ground support. The Black Widow single runner ramp features an arched design that provides additional clearance for tailpipes and engines. Weighing merely 14.5 pounds, this loading ramp is both lightweight and easy to transport. With a height of 7 feet 5 1/4 inches and a width of 11 1/8 inches, this single runner ramp minimizes its footprint when folded, allowing for convenient portability and storage. The rubber-coated fingerstyle loading and attachment points securely grip tailgates, ensuring a scrape-free loading and unloading experience that maintains the integrity of the equipment's finish. This single runner ramp can support a weight capacity of 750 pounds when the load is evenly distributed and is made from high-quality, lightweight aluminum. The tapered bottom edges enhance compatibility with various vehicles, including dirt bikes. Loading ramps from Discount Ramps are the ideal solution for your four-wheeler, UTV, or motorcycle. We offer trailer ramps, extra-long quad ramps, single runner ramps, and many other styles with a low price promise. Number 1. Posse PP 2755 Aluminum Folding Truck Ramp. When it comes to loading your ATV, dirt bike, or lawn equipment onto your truck, a reliable ramp is essential. The Posse PP 2755 Aluminum Folding Truck Ramp is designed to make this task safer and more convenient. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this ramp offers durability while remaining lightweight for easy handling. Its folding design ensures it's compact and easy to store when not in use. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a professional, this ramp promises to deliver the performance you need. In this review, we'll delve into the key features, benefits, and any potential drawbacks to help you determine if the Posse PP 2755 is the right choice for your loading needs. The Posse Motorcycle Folding Loading Ramp is highly regarded as the top choice for motorcycle ramps that cater to a wide array of riders. This ramp is especially effective for loading motorcycles with a weight capacity of up to 750 pounds into various types of trucks and vans. Crafted from lightweight yet sturdy 6063 aluminum, this ramp features a design that prioritizes durability, incorporating heavy-duty hinges, joints, and welded crossbars. As a folding model, this motorcycle ramp provides convenient storage solutions and is always ready for immediate use. Weighing just 16 pounds, it is easy for most individuals to handle and position for loading tasks. The ramp has dimensions of 11 inches in width and 89 inches in length, offering ample space for most motorcycle tires and sufficient length to ensure smooth loading into most trucks and vans. When folded, it condenses to a compact 46 inches in length, making storage and transport straightforward.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.